today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Glitter Heaven Australia's mystery box. So about maybe a year or so ago I bought a mystery box. So it was 20 mystery glitters from Glitter Heaven Australia because I had no idea which ones to pick. And I was ready for some new glitters, and again, they have so many awesome glitters I couldn't decide. So I did another mystery box. It is in a bag. But they have upped their packaging, which is awesome. So this mystery one comes in this like holographic pouch that's all ziplocked and sealed up. And it's got this cute little sticker on it. Last time they just came in like little plastic Ziploc baggies, so this is pretty cool that it comes in this now. But let's get in and I'll show you what glitters I got. Okay, so I went ahead and I opened the holographic pouch, and then they are sorted out into two different Ziploc bags. And then they have their card, which I think this card is updated, or at least different from their last one. I know I have their other one somewhere, but oh, there it is. So they did change it just slightly there. And then this was the old one, and this is the new one. So they have some different little pictures, but I like the all black, which is cute. Okay, so here are the two baggies, and I'm curious to see, because I did do another mystery one, to see if I get any repeats from what I got last year, but from just looking at the outside, they look like all new glitters, which is exciting. So let's get into the first one. Okay, so this is the first one I pulled out. This one is called Pretty Eyes, and this one is so pretty, very unicorn-like. So they are like that translucent glitter. They're like little stars and hexagons, and they're all iridescent, and there's a lot of chunks in here too. It's mostly a pink shift, but then it's got some like blues and oranges too. This one's cool. It'll be fun to do like unicorn nails with this for sure. This next one I'm pulling out is called Glass Slipper, and I've seen someone, a nail tech, talking about Glass Slipper, I think. Pretty sure it was this one, and how shiny and sparkly it is. And so I'm super excited to get this one. You can do all kinds of things with it because it kind of pairs with everything, since it's like a white multicolor. And even the camera's having a hard time picking up on it because it is so shiny. But this one's super cool and versatile. This one is called Lavender Luck. And oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love purples, first of all. And then this one is kind of like a purple with pink iridescent fine glitters in it. So it is all fine glitter. Oh, but that shine is so pretty with the pink. Oh, I'm excited. This next one is Sky Blue Chunky Holographic, which it is what the name is. It is a Sky Blue Chunky Holographic, which is so fun and pretty. I love a good chunky holographic glitter. This one is Aurora, and this one looks similar. I think I might have one. Yep, I just pulled it out of my other bag, so I already had this glitter, Aurora. It is a pretty like royal purple with silver in it. So I do have double of this, so we'll see if I get any other doubles and I'll figure out what I want to do with them. This one is called Lust, and this is like, it's not a fine glitter, but they are super tiny glitters, and it's like a silver super shiny, which is really pretty. This one is called Roar, and this is like a coppery gold chunky multicolor. This one's awesome. It definitely reminds me of like a lion's mane. This will be fun for like the fall. This one is called Pink Diva, and this one is like a pink and gold holographic glitter. So it's got some chunkies in it, and then it's got a lot of fine glitter as well. But look how sparkly that is. This one's going to be fun to play with. And I like that it's the pink mixed with the gold. And so it's not quite a rose gold, but it has the pink and the gold in it. But it's super pretty. This one is Atlantic Mermaid. And this one's like a teal with some silver and purple holographic glitters in it. And that one's very fun. I feel like I have one similar. So this is the one I got from the last batch. It's Witchcraft. And they are quite different, so not really comparable. This is the last one I'm pulling out of the baggie, so this is number 10. This one is called Fairy Floss. And this one is like a super baby pink mixed with some white glitter. And it's got those iridescent glitters in it too. This one, it's like dainty almost. So this one that I pulled out is called Easter Pastels. And they are all circle glitters. But it's a cute mix of like a hot pink and orange, and then this like gray blue color, and they're kind of iridescent as well. So this will be fun. I do want to do Easter nails, so maybe I'll incorporate this. We'll see. I already kind of have an idea what I want to do, so I don't know if I'll use this year. This one is called Gold Bar. And to me it's more of a silver. Like it's almost like a tarnished silver color. So not quite a gold. I could see where it kind of has a gold hint to it because it's like the tarnished silver. But that's the best way I could describe it. But that one's super reflective. This next one is called Lily's Eyes. And if you look closely at it, it's got some iridescent stars in it mixed in with the hexagon glitter. But it's super iridescent and kind of pink and silver. I feel like I have one similar too. So this is the one I was thinking of, Beautiful Love. But they are different. This is more of a neon, so it has neon pink and neon purple mixed in with some silver. Whereas this is a baby pink and this is very iridescent. Whereas these are more of a solid. Next one is called Chardonnay. And this one's got hot pink, white, and this kind of like tarnished silver again. This is an interesting mix, but this is very unique, so I like it. I feel like it's like similar to Beautiful Love, but it's also very different because it has the white in it, and then instead of the regular silver, it's the tarnished silver. But this one's pretty cool. So this next one is Strawberry Smoothie Tropical Dots. And I might have this one already. Okay, how funny. So the one I just got now is Strawberry Smoothie Tropical Dots. And the one I have previously is Chunky Tropical. So these are the dots, and then these are more hexagonal. So, I mean, the dots would be super fun to mix in with like the fine and the chunky. But they're the same type of glitter. That's cool though. I didn't realize that they came out with like the same colors but in the different shapes. So that's pretty cool to have the variety. This one is Moonlight Dots. And this one is like a teal and blue holographic dot glitter. I've been seeing quite a few nail techs using dot glitters lately, and I never know what to do with them, but I think it'd be so fun to try them out. So this one is called Pierre, and so it's got like it's almost like a white glitter, but it's kind of got like a slight purplish hue to it, and it's got some teal glitters in it. It's very unique. I don't even know how to describe this. But it is very unique. Kind of reminds me of like a speckled egg though. So that'd be kind of fun to use for Easter too. And this one is called Mystic Dust. So it is just a fine white glitter with some gold iridescence in it. And my camera is not picking up on the gold iridescence, but it has a gold iridescent to it. So this one would be fun more to do like a sugar effect with. But if someone wanted like a white set but didn't want just like plain white, this would be fun to do because it's very shiny and sparkly, and then it has that gold iridescent. This one is called Malibu, and this one's total summer. It just screams summer to me. It's got that neon pink and a neon yellow, and then it's got black in it. Oh, this is so fun. I have another neon mix from last time. This one, Rocky Road. So this one has pink, purple, blue, and then with the black. But this one's fun. I love these colors together. I gotta do some cool summer nails with these for sure. And for whatever reason, like, I'm thinking to do like a cheetah print effect with this, like this as an accent nail, and then some of the other nails have like a cheetah print using this color scheme. That's what's coming to mind, so you might see that this summer. We'll see. And this is the last one. This is number 20. This one is called Mermaid Love. And this one is super pretty as well. Again, I love all the purples. But it is a purple iridescent with a pink kind of shift to it. So it actually pairs really nicely with Lavender Luck. Like this is almost like the fine version of this one. Like I bet you that the fine glitter that's in this mix is this one. Like it looks exactly the same. But it's fun to have the both, so that way if you want to do like one nail with this, one nail with this, just to give it a variety. Or if you wanted to mix like more fine to the chunkies, it'd be good to have them both as well. Alright, so here are all 20 of the glitters. And so since I did purchase another mystery box and I only got one of the same, that's pretty good. They have such a variety that I was kind of thinking like maybe I'll get one or two of the same, but chances are not high. So that's awesome that I only got one repeat. And then of course I have the different shapes for the strawberry smoothie tropical now. So, but I got a really fun mix this time. There's definitely a good couple staples in here. Like, I feel like Glass Slipper I'll get a lot of use out of, as well as Roar, and probably this pink Diva, and the gold bar too. And then it's got some fun like neons and blues and purples, and I have like this Easter one as well. And make sure you guys go check out Glitter Heaven Australia. They are an awesome company, and their glitters are very high grade, so I mean you can use them for makeup, and they're safe for nails and stuff. So they're safe for like skin contact and all that, which is awesome. You don't see too many companies like that. They come out with so many different glitters, like so I now have 40 glitters, so the pack of 20 I got last time, and then this pack of 20. And I feel like I don't even have close to all of them at all. They have so many different kinds. They have a few different like packs, like they have like their chunky packs and the holographic packs, things like that. So I'm so excited to come up with different nail sets using these glitters as well as the other ones that I have. If any of you guys have any ideas of what designs I should use with certain glitters that I got, let me know down below. I'd love to hear everyone's ideas. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!